Hello everyone, my name is Ross the Alcheminiaturist, and this is the new year, and that means a new army. As some of you may know, I collect Chaos Space Marines, more specifically Emperor's Children, as shown in videos such as this one. To add to my Chaos Space Marines, but to start also with the new year, new army, I've decided that I was going to start a Slaanesh army. I've had these Daemonettes on my shelf for the better part of 6 months, and after finishing my Chaos Space Marines, mostly, I decided that a good idea is to, over the course of this year, build up another army. And to be honest, I didn't know what I was going to get myself into with these models and this specific project. I'm going to let you know right now that this video doesn't actually have a happy ending. There. I said it. Not every video or story needs to have one. Sure, it's nice, but where's the reality in that? The project as a whole will have this one, but sometimes we need to admit that what we have tried was not the best, reevaluate, and continue moving forward. After cutting out the Allurus and putting her together, a process that took a lot longer than I had originally thought it was going to take, due to how specific and interestingly the model went together, it was high time for prime time. I decided to use my white primer from AK Interactive, as I thought it would be the best to have a lighter layer underneath my dry brushing layers. Normally, I just use a black primer, but this year and project I wanted to try to level up my painting and hobbying. So I need to paint a little bit more bravely and push myself to take risks. Risks such as only using 4 total colors for dry brushing, and only dry brushing a mini. This mini. My plan was a simple, yet I thought effective one. Use 4 colors, using 1 dark, 2 lighter, and a wash, all dry brushed on, to speed paint the model with little mess and little fuss. Then came the first problem. The Allurus' head did not want to stay on and fell off during my first couple of moments dry brushing it. No matter, I figured, I'd just keep on keeping on with that and glue it on after, with super glue and not thin cement. I chose Pro Acryl Black, Ulithan Gray, Slaanesh Gray, for obvious reasons, and Druidchi Violet. Please forgive me if I have mispronounced or butchered any of those names. They're the only colors that I thought I was going to be using on the Allurus. Dry brushing is a simple yet effective technique to create a nice layered look. You apply the paint to a dry brush, surprise surprise, wiping most of the paint off so that it is not wet, and, well, scrub or brush over the surface or surfaces that you wish to have the paint be applied to. Unless you're forceful, the paint shouldn't get in the recesses and will layer on quite nicely. Simple, effective, and relatively painless. Well, I have a couple of theories as to what went wrong. 1. I was too overzealous in trying to get this video done and dusted in a good amount of time. Christmas and New Year's around my house is always a busy month, and there was a birthday to celebrate as well, putting unnecessary stress on me. 2. I'm just not that good at dry brushing at the moment, and I rushed into this thinking that it was going to be easier than it was. And 3, and probably the most likely reason, I'm impatient. I know I'm supposed to take things like this a little slower and more methodically, but in all reality, I get excited and really focused on what I think the end goal should be, and I rush towards that end goal as quickly as possible, forgetting steps and jumping over others to get it completed as quickly as I can. But honestly, whatever the case is, whether it is a mix of all of the possibilities or just one of them solely, I've learned a valuable lesson. Slow the heck down. Unless you're in a speed painting competition, there should be no real reason why you should rush your process. Budget your time, take a deep breath, and trust your process. Carefully, Look at that. I'm nearing at the end of this fun experiment. I decided I'd be finishing off the model by making it nice and darker again, instead of the semi-white from the airbrushed primer, and I was ready to call this model done. And it is done. I'll be coming back to her and the rest of her squad sometime later this year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to keep your brushes wet and your models painted. Goodbye.